Hello and welcome to English for Science and Technology. I'm Abram Jones, your instructor. Would you like to learn how to use this CNC machine? If you come from an engineering background, chances are this is very interesting to you. If this sounds like you, you're in luck, because in this course you're going to be using this machine exclusively. Over the first 3 days of this course, you and your group are going to be performing the most basic of engineering tasks where a machine is concerned, getting it to write "Hello World." To succeed in this assignment, you and your group will need to get the machine to carve the words "Hello World" into a piece of wood or plastic. You will be doing this work in our classroom laboratory and not at your instructor's home woodshop. All safety precautions must be observed. Together, we will learn about ear protection, eye protection, and respiration protection that you must use while operating these machines. It's also highly recommended that you wear gloves and sturdy shoes when working with a CNC machine. This is but the first of many tasks that you will accomplish with the aid of this machine. From here on out, what you can do is limited only by your imagination.